So the biggest environments on Earth where life exists are below 5 degrees. We have very little understanding of the way that animals function at low temperatures. We never had the ability to look inside cells and see how those cells were functioning at low temperatures. A pioneering project is underway, one that could redefine our understanding of life itself. Cambridge researchers in the Department of Chemical Engineering and Biotechnology and the British Antarctic Survey are exploring the uncharted depths of life in extreme cold, unlocking secrets that could change the future of science. The first step in this groundbreaking research is the creation of a new generation of microscopes, capable of functioning at sub-zero temperatures, something never before achieved.
So we are developing microscopes that allow us to look at life at minute detail, at the molecular level. So this requires very advanced instrumentation, as you see here in this laboratory. The real challenge now comes to take this technology into the cold. How do you do that? We don't yet have the technology to do this. That's what we're here for, to address this challenge and bring technology out, to allow researchers at the British Antarctic Survey to do their own research.
Our interdisciplinary team is working at the intersection of biology, physics and engineering to design these cutting-edge microscopes. These instruments will be the first to allow live imaging of cells from Antarctic species in their natural freezing environments. These microscopes will be housed in specialised cold laboratories, where they will operate under the most extreme conditions, providing an unprecedented window into the cellular processes that enable life to thrive in the cold. With these tools, we will study how proteins behave and how cellular processes unfold at sub-zero temperatures, knowledge that is crucial to understanding life in the coldest parts of our planet.
So although we can't be on the ground in Antarctica, the work we do here in the lab is absolutely vital, and the implications go far beyond the Antarctic. Understanding how life functions in extreme cold is crucial, as these are some of the environments most affected by climate change.
The Department of Chemical Engineering and Biotechnology at the University of Cambridge and the British Antarctic Survey are leading the way in this vital research, pushing the boundaries of what we know about life at the extremes. Come with us as we unravel the mysteries of life in the cold and pave the way for a brighter, more sustainable future. Because the future of our planet depends on what we discover today.